welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make daikon salad with creamy sesame dressing. Creamy sesame dressing is one of my most favorite salad dressing. And today I'm having it with daikon salad, but you can use it just like Caesar dressing. It's very easy to make. Let's get started. These are what you need. Some daikon radish. And this is totally optional, but if available, shiso, Japanese basil, 3 tablespoons mayonnaise. I'm using Japanese Kewpie mayo today. 3 tablespoons ground sesame, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 2 tablespoons vinegar. This is rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon soy sauce and 1 tablespoon sugar. Let's make daikon salad first. Peel the skin of the daikon radish. Let's cut it into 1 inch or so. I want to make very thin strips of daikon radish, so let's use vegetable slicer. Slice the daikon radish this way, not this way or this way, it's this way. It's very thin strips of daikon radish. If you don't have the vegetable slicer that can do the job, you can of course use knife. Make thin slices. Then spread it out like this, and then into thin strips. And shiso, Japanese basil. Today I'm using shiso, but this is totally optional. If you can't find this one, you can just pass it, or you can use broccoli sprout or parsley leaf or lettuce, whatever you like. Something green. Okay, let's cut the stem off and roll it up so that it's easy to cut. And let's make very thin slices. Just like this, and let's put this in the bowl of daikon radish. Today I'm using salad spinach just because it's easier to dry later on. Put it in here. And release the vegetable in cold water to make it crispy. With some water. And mix the daikon radish with shiso. Let's put this aside and let it sit for a few minutes. Let's make creamy sesame dressing. Prepare a jar like this, and you're going to put every ingredient for the sesame dressing into this jar. The order, which one goes in first, doesn't really matter, so you can start with whichever you like. 1 tablespoon sugar. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 2 tablespoons sesame oil. 2 tablespoons rice vinegar. 3 tablespoons ground sesame. And 3 tablespoons mayonnaise. Put the lid on and set it tight. And you just need to shake this. Okay, it's mixed well, so the creamy sesame dressing is ready. Back to the daikon salad. Let's drain. Let's spin and dry. The salad is ready and the dressing is ready, so it's time to serve. Some salad in the bowl. Creamy sesame dressing. And it's done. Let's try some. I love the dressing. It's so creamy and so nutty. Delicious. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. more videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.